Hey y'all. So today is Halloween. We were supposed to dress up as M&Ms. So I got my M shirt and my green themed outfit with the chili. Yeah. I didn't want to wear the green glasses, but I did because the look, the vibes. You gotta commit. I don't got no true Kelly green pants, but that's fine. And I'll show y'all, I got some new Air Maxes. Real cute. So yeah, I'm wearing these because I think that they're cute. Gold jewelry on, Pandora rings, ring from my granny, Animal Max, I'm finna leave. Pew, pew, pew. But yeah, I got the girls' food. Let me turn this lights off. Turn this light on for Wanksta because it's gonna be dark by the time I get back. But yeah, that's some of the girls. I said food. Some of the girls' candy. Some of this right there, and then the rest is in the car. But I just wanted to show y'all my outfit before I left. Maybe I can't go back up. Okay, hold on. But then you can't. I'm not gonna sit here and stress myself out about it. I got some stuff from Amazon and I want y'all to see. I want y'all to see it, y'all. I don't want to put the camera on like my full big tripod because that's just too much. But anywho, so I got some workout clothes. Baby. People buy this. Let me turn on the light for real. Okay, so I was 7 lights in this motherfucker. Goddamn. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Well, I'm gonna turn it on. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, I got some workout clothes. I got these leggings, and if you can see, they're like, it's giving Black Panther. And they have a butt scrunch, but like, when your booty this big, do you really need a scrunch? Like, be for absolute, for real, and for serious right now. Huh? Think a butt? Huh, Mama Wanksta? So yeah, I got these. I like them. I got them in a large. I would say they compress. They make my butt look good and round. Butt looks great, actually. But yeah, I need to start back working out, so I found an excuse to buy some clothes because of that. Pull me in, hips is hipping, booty is booty. Yeah, definitely recommend. Let's open these other ones. And then I got a pair of shorts and a black pair of tights. So I want to end with the shorts, honestly. This is just a regular black pair of tights. This is very up here, so this is gonna, I feel that. And then they have, I don't know if y'all can see, but they have like polka dots, kinda, like the dots. I have a gray pair just like it, and I like them, so that's. One thing I will say about the floors in my apartment is that they camouflage everything with this light gray. get to it. Okay. Yeah, these are good. So these are the black ones. It's giving pea. It's too big. These are the black ones. Y'all know I'm short, so the ankle thing, that's really not. Girl, I'm 5'1", okay? Everything should hit my ankle if it's properly, you know what I'm saying? Like, but these are nice. I already know I was gonna like them because I like the gray ones that I have. So I bought the black pair. And you can barely see the polka dots. I don't know if you can. I can't see it in the camera, but I need to get rid of this gut and just keep the butt. Yes, I like these two. Real cute. Real nice. And I needed another pair of black ones, so that's what I got, honey. I got everything in large because this ass is large. I can't. Everything has to be large on the bottom. I can't do it. Okay. I got these shorts. Like it's built in for real, more than the other two pairs. I like this color on the description, but yeah, that's very much so profound. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I don't know. These are like, woo! But I'm glad that they were, I thought they were gonna be shorter, so I'm glad that they are this length. For sure. I like them. I would definitely get this, this color, I don't know. But they're compressive. And these are probably the most compression out of all of them. But yeah. Look at myself in my mirror right here. But I like them. I don't know though. I don't like this color. I'll probably get these in a different color. But that's what I got from Amazon, clothes-wise, honey. Everything else I got from Amazon, I still got some more like regular items. I got some stuff for Stank-A-Butt, and I got some stuff for the house. So I'll show y'all the house stuff first, and then I'll show y'all Stank-A-Butt. I got a new duvet cover in white because mine, the zipper broke on it, and it don't, how I'ma close it, you feel me? So yeah, had to get a new duvet cover. Then I got, it was something else in here. I don't remember what it was though. What did I get out of this box yesterday? What's in my, I don't remember. I don't want to say it was my M&M shirt. Maybe it was my M&M shirt. But yeah, so my M&M shirt also came, but y'all saw me in that yesterday. And then I got this bag holder because they're just sitting in the floor in my pantry, and I think that's really ugly at this point in time. So I got this, but it wants me to screw it and I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna, you know what I'm saying, command strip. I don't think I had no more command strips, so I gotta get me some of them. But it's stainless steel. It's very nice, very cute, very sleek. Obviously, everything in my apartment is stainless steel. This was like $10, $12 on Amazon. It don't cost that much to put your stuff up on the wall. People be trying to make me seem extra because I like to go the extra mile with certain stuff like this, but like this costs $10, $15 max, $20 max. Like, yeah, we can spend that on something else, but investing in your home, I feel just makes my home feel so much better, and I'm gonna always do that whenever I can and get the chance to, and I'm able to. You feel me? Like, I'm not gonna ever. Shit, this is my dad. He scared me. Hello?
Hey, what's up, girl?
Nothing.
Okay, what you end up with on that car stuff?
I didn't feel like going to look for that today. My head been hurting. Okay, just got off the phone with my daddy. But yeah, my butt looks ridiculous in these, and I can't keep showing the camera. That's literally almost soft porn. Like, so I got that bag holder for the house, and then I got okay. I already told you I was getting stuff for Sweetie, but for Sweetie needs a raincoat because she loves to be outside in the rain. And come here, Snake Butt. Come here, girlfriend. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Yeah. So, Sweetie likes to still walk in the rain. So, I got her a raincoat. It's red, obviously, because all her stuff is red. I'm going to put it on. Like, it's... Be for real, y'all. Like, be freaking for real right now. So, no. Don't do that. Don't do it. She's like, girl, what is this? I wish Okay, how do I do this part? I'm gonna just do this bottom one. Oh my god. Yeah. So then I got this one here because it has a plastic hood. She hates it. She hates that part. Oh my god. I gotta take the video for this. So I got Sweetie. Nah, she's shaking. Ah! Okay, what if I take that off? Then what? Okay, so we don't like the hood. Come on. Come on, Snake Butt. She's literally insane. Can you stop? Why are you scared for? There's literally nothing to be scared for. Y'all, she's absolutely shaking. You're ridiculous right now. Can y'all see her? It's so cute though. I'm gonna try to see if I can get her a different one. Like, what do you... Okay, I'm gonna stop bullying my dog. So she doesn't like the raincoat. I don't care. I don't think she likes the hood, so I have to get her one without the hood. I try to do stuff, nice stuff for you, and you just don't respect it. Like, what is to you, for real? Okay, but I did get her this coat because for Thanksgiving, we're going to, how are we doing? Shit. We're going to Chicago for Thanksgiving. And, what's it called? Hey. And I just think she would benefit from having a coat. So, yeah. Stop it. Don't do that, pookaroo. This is her coat. Oh, I did it wrong. Ooh, okay. This now. But I got her a coat. Because I feel like she needs a coat anyway. I don't know if she's really going to like it. Well, she's still shaking, but... She acting weird like she don't wear sweaters. And that just is annoying to me. And it's long enough to cover her butt. Do you like the coat? No? Come on. Come on. Don't act like that. For real. Are you serious right now? Be for real. Put your arm down. Gosh darn it. You were okay, think a butt. You were okay. It's alright, think-a-boo. You just need a coat, boo. We just gonna be in cold weather, and you need this, okay? You look real pretty. She looks a mess. See, she just had to be warmed up. There's no reason to shake though, okay? The shaking, they gonna think I'm bullying you and I'm not. You already know they was mad at me for getting mad at you for chewing on my bed. They called me a bad mom. Cause I got my bed on janky bed risers. Cheer up, buttercup. She started to warm up to it a little bit. I think her problem is that she don't want to be on camera, but I don't care. You don't like it? No? Yo, you sure? Okay. BS, honey. That's the stuff I got from Amazon. This is just a mess. It's just a mess. I gotta fold them clothes, like, check out this trip. Life. I don't have nothing else for y'all. It's kind of lopsided, but I think that's because when the screen is flipped out, it's still gonna lean because of the weight. Yeah, it's just gonna, whatever. It's gonna be a little lopsided because of the screen is flipped out. That's why. Anywho. Hi y'all. It's currently, I don't have my glasses. I can't see. I know I can't see without my glasses. But I've had on my glasses all day and they've hurt my head because of these braids. And they just be tight on my head. Like, the glasses make me feel like I got a big head, but I know I don't have a big head. So I be confused as to why they're always hurting me. But anywho, I'm really just rambling currently. I'm here to inform y'all that I made a big girl decision today. Her crunching ass. Damn, she like, yeah, bitch, you ain't feed me. Okay, listen. I bought a car. Yes, I bought a car and I'm really like, I'm happy. I can't pick it up until Monday because obviously I got my own outside financing. It's Saturday. Y'all don't know it's Saturday, but today is Saturday, November 5th. And I bought a fucking car. The original car that I went there for is not the car that I got, but I still do like the car that I got. It's not a bad car. And they were in there really making a lot of exceptions for me, and I'm very grateful because Mama needed a car, baby. Your girl needed a car, y'all. She needed a car. But yeah, I got a car today. I'm really excited, and I'm excited, but I'm a little scared because it's a big financial obligation, and it's the same fear that I had when I got my apartment. Like when I got my apartment, I really didn't know when, like, you know, where the money was coming from for this place, and somehow I ain't ever been short on rent. I'm gonna give that glory to God. So I'm moving with that same type of blind faith. This piece of rice. Can you see it? You can't see it, but it's a piece of rice in my hand. Oh shit. But anywho, I'm moving with the faith of this rice. Really, because I need it to be bigger than a mustard seed. I need it to be bigger than a mustard seed. But no, I'm really moving in faith and grace and in belief that God is going to remove any barriers, anything keeping me from keeping this and being able to afford this blessing that he has allowed me to bestow upon myself today. And although I'm a little nervous and I'm anxious, I'm excited because I deserve a nice new car. I deserve something nice and shiny. I deserve something that doesn't break down every couple months and give me stress and anxiety and send me back in this whirlwind of fritz. I deserve something animal. She's so annoying. But yeah, I just deserve. And today I gave it to myself. And you know, I was communicating because I went to the dealership by myself. And I was communicating with my father, you know, while I was there. He didn't want to come because he wasn't really feeling good, to be honest. But he was like, well, you need to this and you need to that. Like, kind of like, I don't know. I feel like every time I went to the dealership, it's been with somebody and they have attempted to kind of low-key control the situation or have something to say to where it affects the situation. I'm like, bro, at the end of the day, it's my decision. And I'm grateful for y'all's help and y'all's wisdom and guidance. But it's my decision at the end of the day. And I feel like today kind of was the first. I was scared to go by myself because I didn't know if I was going to be able to make the good decision by myself. But I had to put the faith in myself that I know I can make a good decision for myself without advice. And I know I can go and advocate for myself and speak for myself and, you know, make change happen for myself without somebody being by my side. And I'm glad I did it by myself. I did. I am. And when I told my father, but you did what? Well, what about this? What about that? What about this? What about that? Hey, dude. I'll work this out, okay? And I'm grateful that I did. I'm grateful that I did, and I will do it again. And I'm just happy that the stress is gone from about getting the car. So now the stress comes from affording the car. And I'm not going to worry about that. Not saying that, like, I bought a car that I knew I couldn't afford. No. But what I am saying is that I know whatever the difference may be, God is going to provide, and he's going to fulfill, and he is going to bless me abundantly and accordingly. Because I've been asking for an increase, and I know he will give me said increase. So when I pick it up Monday, I'll show y'all Abby Jobby. Just know I was in there finessing their ass, you feel me? Just know I was in there rocking it out, yeah. But I was able to use my financing. I was able to, I got them to take off the dealer fee that they be trying to charge for nothing, for fucking nothing. $2,000, $3,000 for $500, $600 worth of work, nothing. And what's it called? And on my warranty, because it didn't come with warranty, but obviously I went back there and I talked about warranty and gap insurance. And when I went back there, I wasn't gonna get the warranty with them at first because it was expensive. I was like, ew. But then he was like, I tell you what, we could do the silver plan because he was trying to sell me on the gold. No, that was like $4,000 some. And y'all know I don't know how much stuff costs, so I'd be kind of scared to spend money because I don't be knowing. I don't want nobody to get over on me. So it's like, well, I'll just go through whatever my credit union got because I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know. And so I was like, okay, well, what about the gold? I mean, not the gold, but what about the silver or the bronze? Like, what would those cost me? Just trying to see my options because I know you're going to try to sell me on the highest one, but what are my other options that are available to me that are maybe more cost efficient? And he was like, okay. Went to the silver. He was like, this is how much it would cost for 60 months. And it was like $3,000 some. And he was like, and I'm honestly not even going to go down to the bronze because it's not going to cover your electrical. And for the car you're getting, you don't need electrical. I was like, all right, that's fair. That's fair because with Bullet, I had an electrical issue and it was $500. When my warranty can just do that for 5 years. You feel me? Like, so yeah. And he was like, okay. So we got that. And then we went to, and I was like, okay, but I'm not really still feeling paying like $3,000. So look, I'll tell you what, I'll give you my employee discount. And this is how much it's going to be. It was $1,700 some. I said, yeah, let's do that. Let's get the bill. So, I don't know. It wasn't a bad experience. It was a really good experience. And I'm glad that I did it by myself. But yeah, when I get the car Monday, I'll let y'all see it. I'm still keeping like a little suspense or something now, even though it may be in the thumbnail, but that's my business. But yeah, it's 8:05. Finna feed Sweetie officially. She's been eating the food in her bowl. I'm finna feed her officially. I've already taken her out. I didn't get home till like 7:30. I'm supposed to take Sweetie out at 5-ish. I'm so glad she didn't poop in here. She probably did pee or whatever, but yeah, I'll let y'all know. I don't know. I am excited. It's just a little crazy because I've talked about it so much, and now I did it, and I think it'll really hit me for real when I drive it off the lot on Monday. Because it don't seem real right now because I don't have it in my possession. Like, that shit's nuts. Yeah, she's cute. I'm proud of myself. And that's all I got. So today's Monday. And I'm going to get my car. I'm excited, but I'm like nervous. It's like I need to leave so I can get to my daddy so I can go. But because it's going to take us probably out to get out there because of the rain. It's like 45 minutes, but rain, yeah. So this is my outfit. These boots are big as hell, but they're a size 7, but they're very loose. But whatever, I'm still gonna wear them. I never wear them, but yeah, I could have got a 6 in these. Yeah, because they're a 5. And in UK, a 5 is a 7. So yeah, I could have got a 6 in these or whatever. Anywho, I just got on my clear glasses here, my Texas necklace. Forever 21, I think. Ring from my granny. Pandora ring. Watch from my god family. This shirt is from the men's section of Shein. I got this polo shirt from the thrift. Amazon leggings I showed y'all the other day. These boots are from either Ego Official or Public Desire. And they're a wide fit, so I think that's why they fit so damn big. And obviously y'all know my Mikey Kors camera bag. Yes, I'm gonna get my car. This is my cute little chill. It's raining, so that's why I put the boot on. But I just want to show y'all what I'm wearing. Okay. Back up a little bit. Ooh. But I also like that this has the armrest. Can I see under the hood? Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Clean engine?
Nice and clean.
You see that?
Yeah. My father's gonna want to ask, so that's why I'm getting this too. But okay, yeah. I'm good.
It's in. Just hold it. You ready?
It's already going.
So I hold the button?
It's already. Are you?
I got you. I got you.
Like, oh my God, Jesus.
What do you want me to do? I will do it for you.
Nothing. I just wanted to show this is my vehicle. What we gonna name it? Cause I don't know. We gonna figure it out. I'm finna get the car, go home. Cause it's late. Adam is awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Texas Toyota to get you a car.
Thank you.
He gonna work it out for you because he worked it out for me. Woohoo! Okay.
I have to.
It's 6:12 right now. I got up to take Sweetie out before work like I always do. Got my potatoes going in the back. Well, they just got done because I was gonna put them in my container and my lunch is gonna be done. I was gonna eat a bagel for breakfast and it's gonna hop in the shower, get ready. Spray's ready to come down, but when I was coming back in from walking Sweetie, I'm looking around, I'm looking for my car like, I just got another car. It's not there. What the fuck did they tow my car? Now I gotta catch an Uber to pay $318 because they towed my car because the registration update website is not working. Good morning.